I have a huge update for you. You can now take your existing YouTube video and import 60 seconds or less into the YouTube camera app to create a new Shorts video. If you import less than 60 seconds, you can film additional footage or upload additional clips from your device's gallery. In this video, you'll learn how to make shorts from your existing long-form videos by importing them into the YouTube mobile app. You'll also learn how to use this feature to reach the largest possible audience on YouTube. Tap the YouTube app, tap videos, select an existing video you want to make into a short. I'm going to tap this one, tap create, tap edit into a short. This option is only available to you, not to anybody else. Now you can select any part of your video you want to make into a short. If you move this left handle to the right, that'll start the short segment. If you move this right handle to the left, it'll end the YouTube short segment. If you want to make it longer than 15 seconds, you can tap 15 and this will change it to 60 seconds. Tap the timeline, then move your finger across it to find the segment of your regular video you wish to add to your shorts. Tap on the video to center yourself in the frame. I'm going to choose a segment that starts at 8:16 and goes for 15 seconds. But you can tap on the 15 and choose 60 if you want. So I'm going to go back to 15. Okay, I'm happy with that. Tap next. I can add some text. I can edit the timeline. I can add filters. Tap done. Tap next. I can add a title. 3 ways to engage with your audience. Select your visibility. I'm going to select unlisted. Go back. Select if it's made for kids or not made for kids. No, it's not made for kids. Tap back. Tap comments. Allow comments. Hold potentially inappropriate comments for review. I'm going to choose that one. Tap back. Tap upload short. There's uploading to your videos. See video, and now I've got my shorts video. Viewers can like, dislike, add a comment, share, add a description, or add a sound from another video. If they tap on created from Dross Video, they'll be taken to the full video. If they tap on Dross Video, then they'll see all the shorts videos that are on my channel. If I tap on library, then tap on your videos, you can see the short that I've added to my videos. If I tap on shorts, then I'll see all the shorts. That's all there is to it. If your shorts video is 60 seconds or less, you can shoot additional videos using the Shorts camera app or upload videos from your phone gallery. To do this, just hit the back arrow once you're in the video editing screen and you've chosen the video segment. Tap on the long form video you wish to edit, tap create, tap edit into a short, tap 15 to make it 60 seconds. Choose a segment you wish to show for the short. You can center yourself, tap next, hit the back button. Now you can make a recording by hitting the red button. Tap the link at the bottom of the shorts video to watch the full video. If you make a mistake, just hit the undo icon. After you've finished recording, you can choose the options on the right side to enhance your video clip. I'm happy with this video clip, so I'm going to tap the check mark. I can add text, timeline and filters, but now I want to add a clip from my video gallery. So hit the back button, tap on the gallery. Here's a short clip. Tap on that. I can adjust the timeline by moving the handles. Tap done, tap the check mark. Now I've got 3 different clips in my shorts video. Tap next. Now just repeat what I did previously by adding a title, choosing the visibility setting, made for kids, not made for kids, and your comments. When you fill in all the details and want your shorts video to go public, tap upload short. Just keep in mind your shorts video has to be 60 seconds or less to add all the different video clips. Number 1. Convert up to 60 seconds of your long form videos and convert them into shorts videos. Number 2, expand your audience by bringing fresh life into your long form videos. Number 3, provides attribution to your original video. YouTube provides a link back to the original long form video right within the shorts player. This allows viewers to easily navigate to the video it came from and watch the full video. Number 3, post more consistently. If you've been having a difficult time keeping a regular upload schedule on your channel because it takes so long to create long form content, now you can convert long form content into shorts videos and save time. This gives you the opportunity to reach a large audience in a shorter period of time. Number 5 is a really hot tip. Recommendations now considers recent long form videos from channels the viewer watches in shorts. Therefore, I recommend making and uploading more shorts videos to benefit from YouTube's new recommendations. You'll be able to drive your short form audience to your long form content. What if you want to make and upload a short on your PC instead of on your phone? Watch this video on the screen right now on how to make and upload YouTube Shorts on your PC so you don't have to use your phone.